Since 1971, Davis Community Transit has been helping the public maintain their independence by providing cost-efficient origin-to-destination service in the Davis area. If you are unable to use Unitrans or YOLOBUS for your public transit needs, our professional Davis Community Transit staff will assist you in providing rides anywhere you wish to go. Shopping, social events, medical appointments, and so much more. We operate 365 days a year during the hours that Unitrans and YOLOBUS operate. It only takes a short and simple application to apply for the service. Please call our office for information on how to obtain a paratransit eligibility application, and our knowledgeable paratransit coordinator can even assist you in completing one. To schedule a ride, simply call our dispatch number before 5 p.m. the day before, and a helpful dispatch staff member will assist you in setting up a ride that best accommodates your request. You may schedule rides between any locations within Davis Community Transit's service area. All Davis Community Transit vehicles are equipped with wheelchair stations. Vehicles also have lifts for customers who are unable to board the vehicle using the stairs. The driver will assist you on and off the vehicle, helping with bags and mobility devices. When the bus arrives, please remember to stand clear of the doors to allow the driver off the bus first. If using the stairs, please proceed up the stairs carefully, using the handrail if needed. The driver will follow behind you with your items, and you may find a seat where one is open. All customers are required to wear seatbelts for their safety. If you do not feel comfortable using the stairs for any reason, please inform the driver and they will be happy to deploy the lift. Once aboard the bus driver will assist you in securing your mobility device and making sure your seatbelt is fastened. Thank you very much for riding Davis Community Transit. If you have any questions, please call us at 530-747-8240.